everyone, welcome back to another episode of Basic to Finance. In today's tutorial video, I'm gonna guide you through how to log into your Hawaiian Airlines credit card account. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Open up your web browser to begin. In the address bar that appears at the top of the screen, simply type in Hawaiian Airlines credit card login and press enter. On the next page where all of your search results are displayed, click on this first link that says Welcome to Barclays US. Once you click on that link, you'll be taken to a next page. Here, you can enter your credit card information, that is your username in the first text field, and head over to the next field where it says enter your password and type in your password correct. You can double check your password by clicking on this little eye icon at the right corner, which will help you reveal your password. In case you want the system to remember your username, you can click on Remember Username box. If you are using a public device or a shared computer, leave this box unchecked for your security. In case you've forgotten your username or your password, click on Forgot Username or Password link and follow the on-screen prompts. Finally, after you're done entering your credentials and you're ready to log in, click on the Login button, and that is how you should be able to log into your Hawaiian Airlines credit card account. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.